Briefing. History of industrialized manufacturing. Industrialized manufacturing has progressed through 4 stages: Industry 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, and 4.0. Industry 1.0 saw the mechanization of production by replacing human workers with steam-powered machines in the early mid-19th century. Industry 2.0, which took place from the mid-19th century to the First World War, saw the electrification of factories and the beginnings of mass production. Both Industry 1.0 and 2.0 only involved operational technology, OT, which refers to the machines and systems that control industrial processes. In Industry 3.0, which took place between 1950 and 1970, information technology, IT, was integrated into industrialized manufacturing for the first time. Computers were integrated into the manufacturing process, and industrial equipment could be automated with computer numerical control, CNC, machining. Industry 4.0, the current stage, has seen the convergence of OT and IT to make manufacturing more efficient by using data collected from IoT sensors, stored on the cloud and analyzed by AI. Jim Mckenney, an industry analyst, notes that manufacturing is made more efficient by acting on insights derived from data. It is common for assets to be connected to both the internet and the corporate network. This makes it easier for companies to remotely operate machinery and monitor operational output. Equipment vendors also often want their machines to be internet connected when installed so that maintenance is easier. Thanks for watching. Follow on Twitter at McKenney Brief.